Design thinking is a human-centered approach to innovation that emphasizes understanding users' needs and refining problems and creating innovative solutions to iterative process. Here I present 3 case studies that illustrate how design thinking has been effectively applied in various contexts. Case study 1: Ideate shopping cart project. In the late 1990s, Ideate, a global design company, was commissioned by a major retailer redesigning the traditional shopping cart. The project was a classic example of design thinking in action. Ideate's approach began with actionable research, including observing shoppers in various grocery stores to understand their behaviors and pain points. So this ethnographic research revealed that the existing shopping carts were prone to accidents, difficult to maneuver, and the lack of features that enhance the shopping experiences. The Ideate team used insights for their observation to ideate new solutions. They held brainstorming sessions with no ideas which was too far, various steps, encouraging wild concepts and multiple perspectives. From these sessions emerged several innovative ideas such as the cart that included a child seat with a 5-point harness for safety, improved brakes to prevent collision, and modular components for that could be easily adjusted or replaced. Prototypes were rapidly developed and tested with users, allowing the team to refine their ideas based on real-world feedback. The Ideate process led to a final design that addressed many of the initial pain points through which it was commercially adopted to its ability. However, the project was pivotal in demonstrating how the design thinking can lead to user-centric solutions by deeply understanding user needs and their prototyping their solutions. Case study 2: Airbnb's product design. In 2009, Airbnb was struggling with their user experience issue that was affecting its growth. The company founders Brian Chesky and Joe Sowmiya decided to apply design thinking principles to revamp their platform. They began empathizing with users, including extensive research to understand their pain points with existing website and booking process. The team discovered that many users found this site difficult to navigate and untrustworthy. This insight led them to rethink their entire user experience. They embarked on a process of ideation and prototyping, focusing on making the site more visually appealing to the user community. One of the major changes was the introduction of high-quality photographs for listing and significantly enhanced the visual appeal and helped the users to feel more confident in booking accommodations. Additionally, the Airbnb team implemented user-friendly features like streamlined booking process, improved search functionality, and better communication tools between hosts and guests. This result has transformed a platform that not only improved user satisfaction but also led to significant increase in views. This case demonstrates how design thinking can be relative to product and deeply understanding and understanding the user needs, leading to substantial business growth. Case study 3: IBM's design thinking transformation. In 2012, IBM faced challenges in maintaining its complicated edge and rapidly evolving thinking discipline. The company decided to overhaul its approach by product development by adopting design thinking. IBM's approach involved integrating design thinking tools, social, cultural, and processes. IBM initiated the transformation by training thousands of employees in design thinking methodologies. The company set up design thinking studios to facilitate collaborative brainstorming and prototyping. One of the key aspects of IBM's approach was to focus on cross-disciplinary teams and combine design engineering and business perspectives. This collaboration fostered a more holistic approach to problem solving. The company set up a design thinking studio to facilitate collaborative brainstorming and prototyping. One of the key aspects of IBM's approach was to focus on cross-disciplinary teams that combine design engineering and business perspectives. This collaboration fostered a more holistic approach to problem solving. IBM's adoption of design thinking led to creation of innovative products and services such as the IBM's Watson platform, which leverages AI to provide business solutions by focusing on user-centered design and variable prototyping. The IBM was able to enhance its product offerings and improve client satisfaction. This success of transformation areas how embedding design thinking to run organization cultures and define innovation and maintain competitive advantage illustrate versatility and impact of design thinking across various industries. Whether redesigning a product, improving our user experience, or transforming organizational processes, where design thinking provides a structure yet flexible framework for creating solutions that are both innovative and deeply aligned with user needs. Case study: the transformation of British Royal Air Force air mobility operations. In 2014, the British Royal Air Force RAF embarked on a major transformation of the air mobility operations using such design thinking. This initiative, known as the Air Mobility Operation Transformation (AMOT), sought to address a range of challenges including outdated processes and inefficiencies and the need of a more agile and responsive operational model. So, understanding the challenges, the RAF's air mobility operations were critical, translating personal equipment such as various locations, often high stress and rapidly changing environments. However, the existing systems processes were not adequately supporting the dynamic needs of the modern military operations. Traditional approaches had led to issues such as delayed deployments, logistical bottlenecks, and suboptimal resource utilization. The RAF recognized that these challenges needed fundamental tweaking, and they turned the design thinking to drive the transformation. The initial phase of the project focused on the deep research and the empathy building. The RAF team engaged extensively frontline personnel, including air crews, logistic officers, and ground staffs, to understand the daily challenges of main points. The observation and interviews revealed the range of issues from some cyber to outdated technology to insufficient communication channels and rigid procedures. These insights formed a foundation for the subsequent phases of the design process. Ideation and prototyping. Armed with a comprehensive understanding of the problems, the RAF team got into ideation phase. Workshop and brainstorming sessions were conducted, bringing together a diverse group of stakeholders, including operations staff, designers, technologists. The goal was to generate negotiative ideas to improve the air mobility operations. Participants explored a wide variety of concepts, from the integration of advanced digital tools and data analytics to a redesign of operational workflows and communication protocols. One of the most promising ideas that emerged was that the development of a new digital program was to streamline the entire mobility process. This platform would provide real-time tracking of the resource, facilitate better coordination between different units, and enable more efficient planning and execution of air mobility missions. Additionally, the team proposed integrated advanced analytics to predict and address potential disruptions before they occur.